Welcome to the Art Lady channel. Today's lesson is on cut paper hearts and actually how to cut a heart out of paper. Our first step is to go ahead and fold this piece of paper. I'm going to start off with a rectangle, and we're going to go ahead and fold the paper in half. If you have a square, you can fold your square in half as well. It could be a rectangle, square, whatever paper you have. Then what you want to do is you want to notice which side is the fold. So this side is my fold, this side is the open side. What I want to do is I want to take, and I'm going to be putting my scissors on the fold at the very bottom. Okay? So this is the side that's the fold, and you want to double check that, make sure you have the fold, and this is the side that's opened. Now what I'm going to do is, once my scissors are right at the bottom edge here, I want to cut, and I'm going to turn my scissor so it's a diagonal from the bottom line. So if you look here, you can see how my scissors are pointing diagonally up. And I'm going to be cutting all the way to the edge of my rectangle. And you can just do this as a straight line. Now what I'm going to do is on the top, and if you look, this has just formed. This is what I've cut off my rectangle. If you tip it to the side, it's kind of a V shape. And you can actually hold it. It's almost like an ice cream cone. Now what I want to do is, these edges are pointed, and I want to round these edges. Even this edge here. You can see how the two angles meet together, but it forms a point. So I'm going to cut off the corners. I'm going to cut off the corner here, and then I'm going to cut off this corner. So if you look at it, it does look like an ice cream cone. Now this is my fold here. My fold is still here. This is the side that opens. So let's open it up and see what we've got so far. It's similar to a heart, something like a heart. But you see we have some straight lines. That we're going to need to fix. So what I do is I close the paper now, and I go ahead and just round these edges. I just cut off little pieces so that I can round this. If it has a point, I cut that point off. I cut that point off. You want this to be a curve. Open it up. Let's see what that looks like. This is a heart now. Both sides are the same on both sides. At this point, I can adjust the shape of the heart if I'd like to.